There's a new demolition hammer on the block. A welcome addition to the best-selling, hardest-hitting family of hammers in the world. A hammer that's Bosch through and through. Specially bred to wreak havoc on concrete, stone, asphalt, and masonry. It's time to meet Jack. Jack, the new 35-pound breaker hammer from Bosch. Nothing hits harder than Jack. With astounding impact force and a powerful motor, Jack hits up to 33% harder than other breaker hammers in its class to make you more productive. Jack has the highest removal rate too, 35% higher than the other guys, so you can break up more material in less time. Plus, Jack lasts longer. With 300 hours of life before service is required, Jack has more than twice the service life of its closest competitor. All of which begs the question, why settle for this when you can have this? With Jack, you'll get more work done, faster and easier than ever. Jack provides more of what you need and less of what you don't. Less fatigue, thanks to less vibration. Up to 40% less, thanks to the world's first active vibration control. A shock-absorbing top handle gives you more comfort for extended periods of work, along with better handling and control. Grasp it with two hands when working on floors, sidewalks, or foundations. Or grab it with one hand with the other hand on the auxiliary handle. A full 360 degrees of rotation provides a wide range of movement and unmatched versatility. No matter what angle you're working at, Jack's all-metal housing and inline design provide outstanding durability and superior balance. Maximum performance for every application. Jack was designed with the user in mind. A well-placed lock-on switch prevents unintentional shutoff, while a two-way tool holder makes it compatible with 1.125" standard and air tool steel. Jack even comes with a revolutionary new star point chisel from Bosch. Self-sharpening, so one piece stays sharper longer. More work, less cost, more money in your pocket. And when the job is done, Jack finds a home in this durable, lightweight trolley. It has room for accessory storage, and it's the only carrying case on wheels. Ideal for rentals or for everyday use. With Jack, the Bosch lineup of demo hammers is now even stronger. Jack outperforms every hammer in its class. Hitachi and Makita don't come close, and Hilti doesn't even have a hammer in this category. The timing is right, the pricing is right, the product is right. It's time to meet Jack, the newest member of the Bosch family of demolition hammers. Jack hits harder, so you can remove more material. Jack vibrates less for more comfort and less fatigue. And Jack lasts longer to keep you working and making money. Jack.